There's this guy I've been singing, hold on though. Every time I close my eyes, he's in my thoughts. We've been going through it for some time now. It ain't my fault, no. I'm just trying to be truthful to you and let you know. Every time I try to leave, something always tell me no. And just when I think it's working itself out, maybe so. Everything we work so hard for, should we let it go? It's unfair to leave without trying to work it out, and there's someone else you've been seeing. I ain't a fool, no. And it's been going on for some time now. It's so obvious. And she's been taking my place on the time that you've been gone, yeah. I just tryna be truthful to you and let you know.